Welcome to my channel somycrafty. Let's start a new pair of earrings. These are round beaded earrings which I beaded with very cute colors of beads. You can watch in this video a new style, very cute sparkling earring. We have started with 14 seed bead of multi-shaded and 14 seed bead 11 of golden seed beads. So we are starting our project. We have tied double knot and now we are adding 2 seed bead golden 11 plus 1 crystal bead 8 plus 2 seed bead golden, and we have started. We are adding these beads in center of this beaded round of 28 beads, 14 plus 14 seed bead. In center of these bead circle we are adding this crystal with 2 seed bead in start and 2 seed bead in end, and now we have added 2 more seed beads, and now to the other end we are adding in the same way 2 more seed bead golden, and in this way we will complete this starting process in which we added a crystal bead of champagne color, golden champagne color, crystal bead 8 In this way we have added with total 8 seed beads. Now we have to start the next round. In this round we are adding 1 seed bead plus 1 teardrop shape, small teardrop shape, multi-shaded cute bead plus 1 seed bead, and now we have to go through this teardrop bead with 1 seed bead. We have to skip this seed bead and we are going to teardrop bead, and now we have to add here 1 seed bead, more seed bead, multi-shaded sparkling seed beads 11 and I hope you would like these cute sparkling multi-shaded beads. Teardrops and seed beads are the matching color, multi-shaded colors. I used matching of these teardrop shape beads, seed beads, matching multi-shaded beads 11 so we have to add all these beads passing through from one multi-shaded seed bead to skipping golden seed bead, and now in this way we will complete this round adding the same beads, the same number, 1 seed bead plus 1 teardrop shape bead plus 1 seed bead, and passing through the beaded circle which we made in the start of this tutorial. Now we have to keep adding in the same beads and the same number of beads. So till the last of this round, till the end of this round, we have to complete the process. We will complete it. Now we have completed this round adding these teardrop shape beads with seed beads multi-shaded. Now we have started next round, next step. In this round we will add 1 seed bead 15 silver seed bead 15 plus 1 maroon shaded bicone 3 with 1 seed bead 15 From 1 seed bead multi-shaded 1 seed bead to others next seed bead multi-shaded bead, we will add these beads, the 3 bead each time. These 3 beads, 1 seed bead 11 15 1 bicone, 1 seed bead, 15 in this way. So now we are in this way. We have to complete this round, adding these 3 bead each time with bicones and seed bead, 15 silver seed bead with maroon bicones. We completed this round adding these beads, and now you have to add earring wire, golden earring wire. We have to add it. Before we add it, we have to bead here some beads. 1 seed bead, multi-shaded 11 plus 1 maroon bicone, 1 plus 1 seed bead plus 1 bicone plus 1 seed bead. In this way, you can see the actual number of seed beads on your screens. So go through, passing through bicone, maroon bicone. We will adding these beads passing through bicone. Now we have to add here earring wire with 2 bicones. With 2 bicones, we are adding our earring wire passing through the center bicone bead. We will add here, we will attach our earring wire. Reinforce here, and now we are going to make some finishing knots on different passing through different beads. We will make some finishing knots. After making finishing knots, we will complete it and trim the thread, extra thread. This is the very important part of our tutorial. We have to make several knots on different points of this beaded part, beaded earring. We have to making these knots. Pull the thread tightly and make it secure with these knots. Now we trim the extra thread, and now we have to smooth with lighter flame the ends of thread. This is very necessary. Now we have completed our earring. You can see how cute, how sparkling look, sparkling cute multi-shaded earrings are ready to wear. I hope you would like colors combination, its pattern, its style. So make for yourself, and remember me, remember your channel somycrafty, for subscriptions, for your likes, for your comments. I'm waiting for your comments, your subscriptions. So guys, do subscribe, do like and share. It's your own channel. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. It's your own channel, somycrafty. I bring with love all projects, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye now.